Hi, Jill Heinerth here. I recently had the opportunity to take a boat trip on the Rideau Canal system in Ontario, Canada. Opened in 1832, many of the locks and swing bridges here are still manually operated as a part of a commitment by Parks Canada to maintain the cultural heritage and do things the way they've always been done. It took a bit of careful piloting for me to get this 44-foot boat safely into each lock, but the Parks Canada staff and my family crew were incredibly helpful. It was a fantastic way to spend a week, driving a boat on the Rideau, seeing the beauty of my home province from another perspective, on instead of under the water.